Hey guys, today we have an unboxing from eBay. We have 2 cubes. Let's open them. This 1, 2. Okay, let's cut this first one open like that. Yeah, just like that. Come on. Okay, the first one has been opened. Here we go. First impressions. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a 2x2. Let's open it. What is it? It's Japanese. I can't see it. It's all Japanese. I can't. There's not one word. It's a kui. Kui, however you say that. Q-U-I-Y. Q-I-Y-I. Open it. Let's see. Got it. Whoa, this thing is unbelievably smooth. Wow, this thing is awesome. It's awesome. Whoa. No way. No way. How though? Let's see how the corner cutting is. Ready? Let's get it closer. There we go. So, let's just finish this. Quick solve! Quick solve. So here we go. Sorry. Yes. Okay. And stupid. Oh, corner flipped. Shoot. Oh, come on. Come on, man. I'm not good at solving these. I'm truly not good at solving these. But this is a nice 2x2. I mean, oh, almost done with the quick solve. Okay, there's our quick solve right there. Okay. Quick solve. Okay. Now we're gonna unbox big one. I'm letting you know there's only 2 cubes today. Ooh, this one doesn't have to. This one's okay, we still gotta. But there's only 2 cubes. But they're gonna be both good, I think. Oh yeah! Cyclone Boys 4x4. Let's take it out and see. It's got this manual on how to solve it. I know how to solve one. I just don't know how to solve this part. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Wow, though. It's nice. Let's see this checkerboard. It's actually not that bad. I thought it would be like a lot worse. I mean, it's not too bad, but look at this. If you two, no, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you 1, 2, 1, 2. Got the this nice checkerboard here, and then you got lines here and lines here. How did I do this? Ooh. Oh no. Oh, there we go. Oh, shoot. What did I do? What did I do? Now I just... Why? Why do I do this to myself? Gosh. What am I doing? Come on, look at this. I'm never gonna do this. There, 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 there. Shoot. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure this out, but this one's unbelievable. I have no clue, but this thing is... Listen how smooth that is. And it's where's that logo? Where's that logo? Oh, there's no logo on it. Unless there is. Here, let me do a quick solve. I'm not the best at solving these. But I kinda know it. Okay. So there's no logo on it, but I'm gonna